if you want to quit coffee, so check your tongue to see how your tongue goes. If your tongue is healthy, that means you can drink coffee sometimes, but still don't drink it too much. And if your tongue shows this coldness show up, that means your body already unhappy about it. You need to quit it. And also, and the most tricky part is don't think about the image of the coffee in your mind. Use something else to instead of it. Maybe tea, or maybe cake, or maybe something good like you like, to instead of like. So get rid of the image. That's the key. And also the emotional issues, and you need to search your heart to see what's your emotional needs. And also to help you get rid of the coffee, we can also use the herbal tea, which is like ginseng, ginger. That's can help you. Like ginger is fresh ginger. Cut the fresh ginger into 3 pieces without the skin, because skin can bring cold to you. So just the ginger, and then drink the ginger. That's good for you. And the pu'er tea, red tea, those are all the good teas that can help you. Okay, quit coffee. This video is help you to quit coffee. And also for those people who are not sure if you want to quit coffee or not. In my clinic, I tell my patient to quit coffee for their health, for their recovering quick. And so this video is help you to quit coffee within 1 to 2 weeks if you follow my instructions. And also let you understand why drink too much coffee is not good for you. And also why do you need to quit coffee, and who should quit coffee. So first, look at the picture. This is the tongue picture for the patient who came to see me last Friday. And I know her tongue was already getting better, but that day when she came, and I noticed the heavy coating, and so I asked her what did she drink, and she said, "Oh, I had drink a cup of coffee." So the heavy coating on the tongue actually already indicate her stomach is not happy. Her body is telling her you need to quit coughing. The stomach is complaining. That's a sign for the body tell you. So look at this picture. They have 4 different abnormal tongue coatings. Those actually, if you have this kind of similar tongue coating, that means you need to quit coughing. That means your body already have the sign to show and tell you, oh, you need to quit coffee for your health and for your wellness. In the beginning, people may feel like more like having coatings, but the later stage will have cracks. So those are more have more problem. That shows you have more deficiency, qi deficiency, blood deficiency, and nutrition deficiency in your body. Why should we quit coffee? Why drink too much coffee is hurt for our health? So first, actually, coffee can get the energy from our stomach, spleen, the heart, and the lung. And so that's why drink too much coffee can cause stomach problems, heart palpitations. And also second, if you drink too much coffee, the energy of our stomach, spleen, lung, and is not enough. Then the coffee will use our kidney incense, which is the foundation for our life. It's like, same like take the money from the food from our body back. Image have the big power. So if we think about, okay, quit coffee, but the image is coffee is like the beautiful coffee, that actually make it difficult to quit. When I do the video, I have to search the coffee images. Actually, that make me want to drink coffee. See so many nice pictures, and it seems I can smell the coffee, and it looks delicious. So if you want to quit coffee, the most important thing is first in your mind, you have to use something else to instead of the coffee, like very beautiful tea or maybe delicious cake or any food or whatever make you feel nice and attracted to you, you want to eat that instead of drink coffee. So just get rid of the image of the coffee in your mind, because you want to, like I say, quit coffee. You do not want to drink coffee. That's the word. Word is much less than the image itself. So this is the first trick. Another one is, most people quit coffee have a headache, so it makes them difficult to overcome it. So for headache, you massage those points here, both sides, and find the most hurt, soreness points. You massage it when you have a headache, and also, and here above the collarbone, you can massage here too. And also at the back, you can massage those points too. So, and also tap your head. But those actually, the headache, you can, if you don't want to have much headache, you can gradually decrease the coffee and use the tea and use other things to instead of the coffee. Besides the headache, another thing is that the coffee help you wake up, help you have the energy to do your whatever you need to do. So the people try to use the coffee to help them moving, like to study and to do the job. So how can you give yourself the energy? That's the thing, is that you should follow the health lifestyle. And so your body can gradually gain the energy from the nature, from the qi flow in your meridian. That can help your body regain the energy and help your internal organs to rebuild the energy by itself. So without coffee, you're still energetic. And the most thing is important thing is sleeping before 11 p.m. and get up like 7 a.m. or even earlier. So 5, 6 a.m. it's all okay. Because the follow the qi flow of the meridian in the starting from 11 and to 1, 1, 2, 3. That's the time for liver gallbladder detoxing. And so if you don't sleep, then the toxin will stay inside of your body and accumulate. So long term, you have problems. And also, if you don't get up in the early, like in the morning, so the yang qi will suppress in your body and actually feel it's yang qi brings the energy. So it's like put the seed in the springtime. Spring is the early morning, and if you just get up in the noontime or late morning, it's like you put a seed in the summertime. The seed won't grow up. So the spring, the qi cannot go up. So that make you whole day actually feel tired. So that's why people, if you, I think, get up like in the late morning, you may not feel energetic. Actually, you get up in the morning, early morning, actually feel more energetic. That's the reason. And also, if you can take a nap after lunch, which is a time for the heart meridian, and the qi goes to heart meridians. So that's the time for you regain the energy, help your body readjust it during the day, because the noontime is the yin yang also exchange time. For the elders, for people who have weak immunity, they will feel the difference if they take nap or don't take nap. The rest of the day, they will have much more energetic. You can see the internet, people have the video to see before they quit coffee and after they quit coffee, they have difference. They looks different. The whole person, like, it's changed. You have more like shiny, like more bright. Actually, it's more health. You are free. Yeah, you can control your life. So you are not just be controlled by the coffee. And so another difficult thing for people to quit coffee is that they feel lots of stress, yeah, and also feel depressing, and also feel some emptiness, internal emptiness. They try to use the coffee to fulfill those emptiness. So that's, you need to search about your internal emotional issues. Do you have any emotional issues there? So that's another thing we need to work out. Every person have a different health situations. If you have questions, yeah, feel free to email me or ask me, and hope you can quit coffee in 2 weeks.